people. I miss you.
Where have you
Oh.
Taking over your class, man.
Oh, I miss you, lovies.
been? Do you miss us?
I do miss you, buddies.
Can you get my leg?
Hold the bottom of the bag for her. Arms, shoulders, knackered. There you go. Why are these two flirting over here?
Oh, this is the happy couple.
You've got a semi. Alright guys, so morning. It's been a while since I've released a video. I know I've been lazy. But today we're just going to do a little bit of trainer's training. I can't remember what the exact workouts is, but I think it's right here on the screen so you can see it. This is the workout. We're just going to walk around with a camera, capture people, embarrass them. I think we're going to have the sexy face feature as well, so watch out for that. Anyway, as always, subscribe to this channel and we are back. We are back now. Summer is over, so we're going to start releasing content. Alright? I keep saying we. I mean, I'm the only one that does filming and recording, but you know what I mean. We're a community out. Anyway, keep on watching and we'll see you on the other side. Alright? Alright, Seb. I'm here with Seb this morning. Seb, we're just about to go in for trainer's training. Are you looking forward to it?
So much. No.
You are? Right, the workout is here on the screen, guys, as you can see. I believe we're doing upper body today, Seb.
Yes.
We are.
Definitely a killer. Really good combo. Bit of biceps, bit of shoulders, bit of back. Let's smash it.
Perfect. Now the t-shirt's off, there you go.
Every time I appear doing chest flies, I wonder, I believe I can fly, very in black and white.
Okay, 3-minute plank. 3-minute plank.
All right, everyone get in your plank hold. Let's go.
Well done, guys.
You're right, love. Right, that's trainer's training done, James. How was that?
It's good.
Your abs popping through your vest. This guy.
I don't know about that, you know?
Huh?
I don't know about that.
Yeah? Did you enjoy it today?
It's tough.
Tough. Whole upper body.
Yeah, all upper body, but I was training last night as well, so
Yeah.
it's like I just feel a bit drained, you know.
Fair enough. So you're the brain.
Scotland, Scotland.
What's happening in Scotland? Yeah. There we go. Nice one, James. Jonesy, you alright?
Yes.
All good. Fair enough. All good?
Yeah, great workout.
Yeah? Upper body. Upper body.
Again now.